Do you want to know how you can earn $1 per survey you complete and get paid instantly? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and recently I came across a fairly new service site that offers $1 per survey and that pays very fast. It's called Fiveservice, and in this Fiveservice review I'll give you an inside look, show exactly how it works, and I will also show you how to withdraw into your payment proof, and then based on all that you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join Fiveservice, because at the time of recording this video it is still a fairly new service site, and you can see on the website it's available in the US, UK, Canada, Australia and Germany right now. But I have contacted them, asked them, and they say they are actually going to expand to more countries in the future. I do have links to the specific country websites because they have special websites for different countries there on my website, so I will also keep updating that as I see they are expanding to other countries. So if you decide to join after watching this video, you can check that out below there, and then you can see the exact countries that they are currently looking for new members in. And it is quite unique compared to any other service site I've tested. I have tested hundreds of them. So let us now log in and take a closer look at what it offers. So I have now logged into my Fiveservice account, and it is very easy to use. You can just see there's just a dashboard. I can see the surveys, and then I can see like a progress bar here. You can see complete Fiveservice and get $5. So you get $1 per survey, and that doesn't matter how long it is. So you can see some of the surveys are 5 minutes, I'll still get $1. Some of them, maybe it's 15 minutes here. As you can see, I would still get $1. But I really love that because overall the average you get per survey on the site, in my experience, actually ends up being quite a bit higher than on most other service sites. Of course, you will not qualify for all service. That is just how it is on all service sites, but it has a good amount of service you can see here, and they are adding more surveys daily. Of course, exactly how many you will get, that always varies depending on the country, your profile and all that, but it does have a lot of service here. And you can also see the star rating there. That is other members that have given that, so that you can also use that to kind of prioritize your time. But overall, that is how simple the concept is. You just come in here, find service. You don't have to sit and think about, oh, how much do I get for that and all. You can just see, you'll get $1 per survey. When you completed 5 of them, you have $5, and then you can get paid instantly. And speaking of getting paid, let us now actually see how to withdraw, and I will also show you payment proof. So to get paid, you just click this claim reward, and you need to complete Fiveservice to get paid. So that means you just need to earn $5. So that's actually very fast compared to how much time you sometimes need to spend on other service sites to get paid. The exact payout methods you will see when you click to claim the reward, but it will vary depending on your country. Of course, in some countries, in a few countries, as far as I know right now, it's only in the US you can actually get paid via bank transfer, for example, and Venmo, but there's also a ton of gift cards. You can see, for example, right here, there's like 143 different gift cards. So there's a lot of gift cards that you can choose from. And also you can see then there's also like even a physical Visa card or a virtual Visa. There's also a lot of charity donations. So a lot of really great payout options. And for the purpose of this video here, I'll choose to get paid via PayPal. So I will just choose $50. That's what I have accumulated so far. We'll talk a little bit about later how much you can overall earn on that. But you would just choose this here, and then you can see, you can just select that reward. And you can see then I just need again to click to redeem it or to claim it, and then you will receive it with email within 30 minutes. So that means that once you complete the service, you request a payout, you basically get paid immediately. Sometimes it's even faster than 30 minutes. So it's paying out very quickly compared to many other sites. So I then will just click this one here, and then you can see here now it even says that I should receive it within 5 minutes. So that's all there is to it. That's how easy it is to get paid. So I will also leave a screenshot here of the email I get, so you can see that the money actually did go into my PayPal account, and there I will also write exactly how long it took. But let's now talk about the overall earning potential. So I know many people will then ask, well, how much can you overall earn? How long has it taken you to earn those $50? And I can say overall, how much you can earn, well, that of course depends how active you are and to a certain degree also the country you live in. But as you can see, you earn $1 per survey here. And if you, for example, live in a country where there's euro, it will be €1 per survey. So it's very easy to figure out how much you'll earn there. And overall, I would say, like, of course, it's not something that will make you rich or will make you a full-time income. That's just how it is with survey sites in general. But if you like taking paid surveys either on your phone or on a computer, then this is one that definitely pays quite well on average compared to most other survey sites that I have tested. And to earn enough to get paid, you just need to complete 5 surveys. So it really does not take long. Exactly how long, of course, depends which surveys you qualify for. Some of them are super short, others take a little bit longer. So I would say if you are looking for a way to earn a little bit of extra money, once in a while would have a bit of extra spare time and want to share your opinion at the same time, this is definitely one of the good options in my opinion and experience. So to sum it all up, I actually really love 5 surveys after having tested for a little while there. It has many great things going for it for sure. And the fact that it's so basic and simple to use, it's just really great. And that it offers, for example, like €1 or $1 per survey, that's just really great. And it doesn't take long to reach enough earnings to actually get paid. And then it has great payout options you can choose from. And actually, while I recorded this video here, I saw that I actually got the email from them where I just needed to click to go and again write in my email there, because they process the payments through Tremendous, it's called there, and then the money transferred into my PayPal account while I was recording this video here. So it literally took like 2 minutes from I claimed the reward till the money was in my account there. So that's another really great aspect, that it pays very fast once you actually reach the payout threshold. And many people keep asking me for new survey sites, for new ways to earn, and therefore when I came across this, I wanted to share it as soon as I could. I wanted to test it first and then share it. And if you think this sounds interesting for you, I'll leave a link below to a joining page where you can find different countries, the ones that it is currently looking for new members in. You can choose your country there, find the exact platform for your country and get started on that, and then quickly start earning. And please feel free to share in a comment below once you've tested a little bit, like how was it, how long did it take you to earn enough to get paid and all that. And overall, if this video helped you, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.